welcome you all to a DT session. In DT session today we are going to see how a class platform can be applied into your design thinking framework. Okay. So as SNL students, I hope you are aware of DT framework. Yes. So what are the 5 stages of your DT framework? Empathy. Yes. What is the empathy? Empathy, which is nothing but first we have to analyze the problem thoroughly. That is the empathy part. Okay. After the empathy part, what is it? Define. So what is the define? So we have to find define a problem and we have to find a solution to that problem. And the next one is your idea. Yes, the idea means so for one problem there can be more than one solution. So as a user we have to pick a appropriate solution to our problem. That is your idea. Yes. The next one is your prototype. The prototype is nothing but your the pre-stage of your final step. Yes. So once your application is built, you have to give a prototype for that application. Yes, that is your pre-final stage. And the last stage is your testing. Yes, once your application is completed fully, so next you have to test your application. So these are the 5 phases of your DT framework. Okay. So as a in your platforming application, we are going to apply this DT and how a cross-platform is going to link with your DT. Yes, shall we have a conversation? Yes, yes. The first one is your empathy. Yes, the empathy part will be explained to your Dinesh. Can I explain that?
Yes, ma'am. In cross-platform application, we are used wide range user, including Android user, iPhone, and people access the app through the web browser and the laptop and the desktop. These users expect the application to work smoothly on all devices in same design, same framework. And the future. They prefer the cross-platform app because they provide a consistent experience, save time, and are easy to work without learning different interface for different devices.
Yes, very nice. The empathy was cleared, explained very clearly. Yes, the user is going to use that application. He needs the same application in the different platform. Okay, that is the very big challenge for the developers to develop the same application which runs on your different platform. Okay, yes. The next one is your define part. Yes.
So cross-platform is needed because developing separate applications for the separate platforms like Google, iOS, and Android. So it takes very time-consuming and difficult to maintain. So the developers face challenges for maintenance and updating the applications. So the need is to create a single application that can run on the different platforms efficiently, reducing and cost effective.
Okay, yes. So this is the solution to your problem. Yes, we have to build a single code that which runs on the different platforms. Yes. So let's have an idea part. Yes.
In cross-platform, we have different frameworks like Flutter, React Native, and like Flutter was developed by Google. It uses programming language, but it was stand out because it has a fast UX and a beautiful design. And React Native uses JavaScript, which is developed by Meta. It was used for creating a large community support. And Xamarin uses C#. It was developed by Microsoft. It's standard because it has strong integrated with Visual Studio. And Ionic uses JavaScript and HTML CSS developed by Ionic. And standard easy to learn. It was easy to use. And Unity it was developed for building game apps and use C#.
Yes, yes, well said. To develop a cross-platform application, we have a different frameworks. Yes, so the user have to choose which is the app framework for his application, and also by thinking of the cost-effective and time-effective. Yes, yes, sir. The next one is your prototype.
For me, Flutter is the best framework because it allows fast development and provides a rich set of UI components. It also supports multiple platforms like Android, iOS, and web using a single code base. Flutter performance is close to which make it suitable for students and developers.
Yes. The next part is your
Yes. So we test a cross-platform application by running it on different devices such as Android phones, iPhones, and web browsers. We check if the app works correctly, loads fast, and also looks consistent on all platforms. We also collect user feedback to identify the issue. Based on the feedback, we fix bugs and improve the performance and design of the application.
Yes. Thank you guys. The session was very clear and I hope you understand how your class platform application is linked with your DT framework. So your DT framework plays a vital role in your career part, not only in your career part, also in your personal life. Okay. So in your life, in each and every stage, you can consider a DT for your personal and also for your career, and you can come up with your great career and also a personal life. Yes. Thank you guys.
Thank you.